Sweats up. Mag-grab food.
Mag-grab food.
Oh my god. This music is so emotional. It brings
What?
brings me to tears.
Ah,
Reminds
shut
me
up.
of my everyday life. When I was
Click mo yung ano yung episode 1. May kita mo dyan, may episode 1.
Episode select. Episode 1. Anong gagawin dito?
Tara. Min.
Ano to, horror?
Sa ata. Alam ko horror siya, pero para mas puzzle-based siya.
when I was in school.
Mom, my guy, shut up!
Oh,
No
man.
one cares about your childhood.
Oh man. Oh man.
May it be lonely.
Hey. I don't tolerate any racism here. Especially for my videos.
I don't care!
Oh man. Ray 08, shut the fuck up.
Will?
This game contains oh man. No sound gaming. Interliminality.
Interelimination. Can you stop?
Oh, what?
Kaninong buhok to? Ah, Mila, your hair.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, tingnan
The
natin.
show is about to start.
Hey, tingnan
What?
nito. Tirayan tayo, lo.
Kala ko may nakita akong ano, tao.
Ano to? Huh? Ano to, rock?
No, I'm Neon.
Eh, akit nga
Ay,
kayo dito.
flashlight. F.
Oh! What? Hindi ko magalaw yung mouse ko. Ah, my God! Bro died!
What? You died?
Ayan ako. What? Tayo yan? Oh, hindi akala ko. What is this?
I think it's getting darker. Okay.
Hey, may nahanap ko na.
Wait.
Punta kayo sa pinaka
Jump. Left or right?
Hey, behind you.
Behind whom? Man,
Ayan.
Behind. Ito, ah.
that was easy.
I do not trust this hallway.
Nasaan? Did I lose Gab?
Go, where are you, my guy?
Nakari kayo?
Nakuri ka.
Bre.
Dulong left. Eh, left.
Makita mo na ako kanina eh.
Ayan. This guy, this blind guy. Who is getting lost. Perfect for his avatar. Did bro? No. Are you seeing him?
Ako?
Did it? Wait. Yeah, no, it's not disconnected. Okay.
Ah!
I will leave you if you disconnect. We will leave you, my guy.
We will do this.
Freaking hell, kala. Hindi pa nag-start na disconnect na siya.
Wait, what? Ah, nasa loob pa tayo.
Ton 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 ton.
Ah, shut up!
Always gonna indoors.
Horrible singing. Oh. Is this doors?
Ah, my PC! Never mind.
Ah!
What?
What?
Okay.
Napano?
Come here. I see something moving. Sa dulo ng hall.
What is this stock room?
Yo.
Fucking no mo.
Let's roll.
Oh, rec room.
Wait, go here. Martin, go out, green skin.
Hello, this is channel 57. Reporting for duty.
Oh,
Now we
you
can see
be a
the
reporter with that mic, my guy.
Hey, look at this.
Oh, what is this balls? Oh, they're chairs.
What is this?
What? I don't
Ano
know.
yan?
I don't know, I just press things and stuff.
Creepy hallway. Oh, elevator.
Ton tan ton tan ton tan ton.
I am banning you.
This guy. Hello, hello.
Okay. Guy.
Did. Oh, dark room. Welcome to the safe. No, this is not safe
Backrooms na
room.
ba yun?
I don't know. Go here.
Wala. Basahin mo na. Stay out of its light.
It's
Okay.
light.
Bakit?
Do we go? No,
No,
go
no.
here, go here, go here.
Stay out of its light. What? Okay. Oh, red room.
So do we find elevate? Oh,
I can hear! I can hear! I can hear! It's there! It's
You
there.
can hear, you have to.
No. We're stuck. Ayun,
What?
ano narinig mo? It's the purple thing.
I do not hear anything.
Do you
I-
wanna see? We're dead, GG's. Wait lang, I am solving puzzle.
Ay, bro lost me. Okay. Nakakarap kayo?
I am where we saw guy. I
Oh,
submitted
gab.
B equals 5.
Oh, purple light.
No, purple light is him. Martin, leave us! This guy!
I'm safe.
We're safe,
Stop
we're
following.
safe.
Ah,
Oh, safe
bumalik
zone. Okay, safe zone.
What? You are there safe, no?
natin. AC.
What? No.
No, you suck!
I'm guessing you guys died.
Oh. Up.
Run.
Martin, you suck! Stay away.
Okay, run ako.
Freaking-
Gab, run!
I am in safe zone.
What? Me?
Bro is
Where?
Bro is on me.
What?
I'm at the safe zone. Can't go here.
I'm actually stuck.
I am stuck too, my guy.
Namet ako. He actually killed me.
3 hours later.
Yes!
Well,
This is not the way to do the exit.
real. Dun.
Oh, golden room. I saw golden light.
Real?
Is this the exit?
What the frick? I thought.
Go, it gets better.
Don't go. What? Don't go. Go, it gets wet. What? Go there.
What? I did not expect that.
Pareho pa mo reaction.
Kaya pa. Wait, basahin mo muna.
Don't get
Wala.
lost.
I don't.
Ah, it's the
How are we
bathroom.
not gonna get?
Wait. We go right.
Here, right.
Always
Good.
right. Always right. Right is the right. Always right.
Why are you guys following me? Wait,
What? Oy!
What? Wait, Martin, where are you?
I'm in front. I'm in front. Not yun. Aliwa ko yan. Kaya ba kay Gab? Wala, ibig sa game. What happened na?
Ikaw yan.
Ito?
Jump. Okay.
Ikaw yan.
Ikaw yan.
Oy.
Jump.
Oy, Gab.
Jump.
That's not me.
Gab, stop. Jump? Okay.
Yung sarili ko nandito ah.
Pag namatay yata kayo, yung parang ano...
Ay,
Nandiyan siya. Oh.
Ah,
Yung kanina kailangan yun, okay.
Kanina.
Tanong din magkay, Buzz.
Buzz Lightyear.
What was that?
We're pumatay lang.
Parang kita tayo, talon.
Ah, we're dead. We are so...
What?
No.
He shooted to me.
Ayun, ito Interact. Ay, dua pa. Anti ko yung magbaz. Is that you? That is not you.
He's crouching.
Yeah, so creepy.
Dali.
Eh,
Ano ka na?
isa na lang.
Then, never mind.
Baka naman sagla.
What the fuck?
May nakuha ko isa.
Then, never mind. It's that.
Nakuha ni Sleepy yan.
Then,
Ay, ta.
isa lang.
Is that you? That is not you.
Who is you?
Gab.
Nope.
Bro, lost. I lost you.
Hanap ko na yung last.
Nice.
Ay, hindi. Ako, pinindot mo niya. Ay!
Jump.
No! Is that you? Oh my god! Naglag ako.
Si Gab. Jump. Okay. Naglalag ka.
Ah, ang creepy nun. Nagka-crouch pa mo siya.
Nagka-crouch siya sa doors.
Oh!
This guy.
Nagka-crouch siya tapos nag-transfer.
Nasaan kayo?
I don't know, my guy. How would we know? Nasaan kayo? How?
Malapit kami sa
It's not you, Martin.
Yeah, you nerd!
Sabi niya, my guy, you
Eh, ito! Ay, hindi po.
Hindi, yun yung kanina. Pero tingnan natin.
Okay, ito lang yung kanina. Mina, let's go back. We win.
This
Wait.
Bye, Martin. Oh my god, that's Martin. He's lagging.
What?
I'm just joking.
Eh, siya nga.
Ako?
Ah, siya nga.
Ano ba ako?
Hindi yan. Humiwalay siya kanina sa atin.
Eh, ba't... Kaya, yan yung monster?
Hindi ako yan.
Hindi.
Sabi na kita. Hindi, joke lang. 3, 4.
Hindi, joke lang. I'm gonna switch.
Mina, you suck. Mina, you suck.
Oh my god, I have to find this thing.
Mina, you suck. Mina, your twin is behind me.
Lol.
I'm trapped. Wala siyang jump scare. Sinisira lang yung leg mo.
May nakita ko elevator.
That's not any better, my guy.
Sinisira niya yung leg mo. It's better than real jump scare. Ay, yung monster
Ikot
ako.
elevator.
Ako yung monster. Kinuha niya yung ano ko. Avatar ko.
Hindi, random lang ata siya.
Oh, I saw the elevator too.
Eh, pag may, yung napatay niya, kukunin niya.
Para niya 3, 4?
Hindi, di siya kasi di niya pa ako napatay pero naging siyang ako.
May twin.
Jump. Cap, that's you, my guy. Cap.
What?
Don't do that to me, my guy. Shut the fuck up. I hear. I see.
Wala, matakat ang elevator.
Where is elevator?
I don't know.
Ayun. Kaya?
Bye.
Pwede video gab?
Ano?
Button pressed. Sabi mo kung nag-teleport ka.
May TP ka naman. May TP ka?
Yes.
Kala ko
I do not like that. Yung encounter na.
Nakita na.
Hindi.
Dalawang
Yung mga hindi mo natin alam.
dalawang gun.
Natraspa mo tayo sa isang kwarto.
Palawat na.
Bago nag-load siya.
Wait, wala kayo dito. Wala kayo sa elevator ko.
Failed to connect to the game.
You're safe here.
Nakap. You're not safe there.
Collect.
Oh, may disconnect po.
Ano ba? May disconnect mo.
Disconnect kayo?
Oh, yeah.
Ah! Go back to PS. Freaking hell.
Bro,
Pero press na lang tayo.
Ulit,
So,
ulit.
pwede siya. Hindi, wait
Ulit
lang.
na tayo?
Wait. Ulit siya.
Nerd.
Eh, pwedeng kaya. Tapos pangadwa.
Itang adwa, episode 2 ito eh. Aliwa ito eh.
What?
Ah.
Connect pa kasi kayo eh.
Wait, now let's start again.
Now, we speedrun.
So, episode 1, di ba?
Oh.
No. Go.
You guys suck. Honestly, you guys suck. 1517. Oh,
Hindi
random.
man siya pareho.
Random yan siya.
Oh.
Oh, man. What is that? Your song! I know the song. You're furry, Mina. You're furry.
What? Ito?
You're actually furry.
We speedrun.
Cannot see.
I can only see interliminality.
For real.
Kasi, end left. So fast! Split time mamaya dun sa creepy nerd. Di naman sana randomly generated yung ano.
Random na.
Kalit.
Code?
Kalit. Ang nakarimit ang code.
Did you not wait for... Oh,
Speedrun.
Speedrun, pero pagdating na sa isang part, di na speedrun.
Oh, syempre.
Kasi alam ko na yung gagawin dun eh. Sa unang part natin.
This is the TV guy.
Yes.
Ay, never mind.
Ito nga. Oh, we have to go back to the creepy guy, yung nagta-transform.
I'm so fast.
So, this is channel step.
Okay, shut the fuck up.
What is taking so long?
Hey guys,
Wow.
ba mo na?
Wow. This is speedrun. This is speedrun.
I'm all alone.
Yes.
Remember this day. Amen.
Try natin ulit yung code. Ano
Ano yung code?
Ayun.
1517. Pero try ko siya, tinry ko lahat ng number. Pero di mo gumano.
Oo nga.
Try na.
I hear the...
Tao siya?
Hinahabol niya.
Ako.
Okay, hindi randomly generated na.
Ayun na.
D3.
B8.
Ay, nawala yung ano, yung... Hindi, randomly generated yung mga things.
Wala naman. Freaking.
May sinubmit ako pero hindi ko alam kung ano. Ah! C equals 4.
Naikuha mo?
Someone is D equals...
Anong kailangan na lang natin? A? A na lang na. C equals 4 na ko.
Ito, never mind.
From where?
Ah, he's near spawn.
But where? Wala tayong nakita?
He is stuck.
Oh my god.
He is not stuck.
What?
D equals 3.
Hindi na yung actual stuff.
Oops, sorry.
Ah. Ay, pa. Nani kwekya ka? A equals?
3. D equals 3.
D equals 3.
Where?
So, saan ka napunta? Ah, my guys, ah.
Tama ka kayo.
May actual din.
I'm fast as fuck. Nerd! No!
Gok.
Correct, no?
Why are you
Ah.
here? Why? Why? Oh, get joke. Oh!
Nice one. Wala dito.
Ano naman dito? Someone live.
Totally not him.
Uh-huh.
He's stuck. He's stuck at spawn.
Bro is not stuck. Bro is not stuck. Bro is not stuck.
Yes, stuck. Stuck.
Buka mo na?
Hindi pa. Parang kung makain ako.
D equals 3. Parang
Why is
may
this last one?
Hindi ka disconnected.
Hindi, nag-chat ka naman.
But hindi, na-stuck siya.
Stuck na.
What is the stupid thing?
Oh, hindi, it's on the hallway, right?
Ayun, luma.
Luffy Janega.
Okay.
Ah! Oh, man.
Fuck ka.
Hindi kala ko nahanap ko.
What then? Where is this thing? This game bugged. Ito. Hindi, joke lang. Stay.
God, Martin, you suck.
Ikutan na natin yung bunga na.
He's not suck. He's not suck.
If he's not stuck, then you suck.
Ah, man. Where's the guy?
I see. I think I know where. I think I remember.
He remembers.
You actually remember me. You actually remember.
He does not remember.
Ah, bruh.
I have a clue.
This guy just wasted our time.
Ito. The nerds.
Yan, stock here.
Hanap mo namin, ha?
Submit the A9.
Na?
A9.
Ah, done. Ouch.
Ha? Nasa elevator ako.
Ano
Huh?
sa elevator ka? Hindi mo.
Hindi naman sa elevator.
Hindi, pero nasa elevator ako.
What does this guy mean?
What? Yan.
Comment.
Hindi speedrun.
Oh man, I was finding something. My balls are so sweaty.
Ah, speedrun.
Speedrun creepy thing.
We are now. Jump. Let's see. No one. I'll throw.
For real? You go right, I go left. Spam jump.
Already, my guy. Already. I saw him. He's white. He's white as fuck. Boy! You ain't killing me? Never mind, I think
I see.
Okay.
May nahanap na
I
ako.
don't like that. I don't...
What? Rose band. Will I die? Bruce crouching. Natin yung tabi ko.
Mali ako yan.
Nakadalawa na ako. Isa pa.
I saw him.
Bruce white.
Ito, nakikita ko na isa. 4. I think I know where the elevator is. I think. Never mind, I don't.
I'm gonna die.
Frick. Frick.
Namatay ka?
No, he's chasing me.
Who's behind me then?
No! You freakers! What?
Where is he?
Madami ba sila?
Right. Madami naman. Ate yung may umabol sa akin na.
Akala ko si Mina. Palalapitan ko na sa pasahan. What? Wait, what?
What?
Paano ka nandito? What?
Nakikita mo yung elevator.
How is bro there?
Okay, horror is done.
Oh my
Teleport
God.
kayo?
Madami ba sila?
Oh,
Wow, may tagisa ata yan.
oh. Kasi, habang hinabol si Martin, I don't know. I don't...
Kasi may humahabol sa likod ko eh.
Merong naghahabol sa inyo, tapos bigla may naghahabol sa akin. Kala ko teleport siya. Oh. Hello, hello. What?
Collect niyo yung mga
Okay lang, may lights, may lights.
Here.
Nakakala ko.
Ano ang gagawin?
bottles.
I have one.
Ay, go mo lang.
Hey, go here, go here.
Ay, meron dito, meron dito. Ay, explore. What? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano nag-open? Oh!
Speedrun, speedrun.
What? Ano? Anong gawa?
Collect lang kami ng bottles.
Ah, yun lang.
Factory code recycle.
Well, confess.
Okay, no more speedrun, no more speedrun. Ayun na to.
It's cold here. Wala, wala.
I'm here, let me out, let me out. What is this?
Ah, I'm here.
This is subway.
Pray. Please. Disconnect ako.
Ah, Martin.
Wait, no.
Share screen.
We're gonna do it.
This guy. I'm gonna share screen and recording. I'm not gonna lag. Ay, okay. Gab. Wait for me. Where did you go, you freaking nerd? Is that you?
Dead end. Actual dead end.
Oy.
Anong gagawin dito?
I also don't know. Saan ba tayo nanggaling?
Black man.
Dito.
Ha?
Dito tayo nanggaling.
Where is dito, my guy? You're lost. Oh my god.
Yeah, you're lost.
Oh, I'm gonna get lost, aren't I? What? I'm in a big thing, big room.
What are you gonna do here?
Saan ka talikod mo? Hey!
This guy.
Direction. Tama na ka ng hallway.
Creepy. Oh,
Brother.
bro.
Hey.
Nakita mo yun?
No.
Pagdalit, may mga mata oh.
The frick? Oh, okay, we're third.
We're
It means we're doing the right thing.
Oh, nice table. Oh, elevator.
Nice. No, yo. Yo.
Italy. Imagine disconnecting.
If I have a higher chance of disconnecting, I am recording and streaming.
Ako na lang mag-stream gusto mo.
Hindi, ito lang. Hindi, ikaw na lang, baka magano yung mag-lag yung ano eh. Mag-lag yung recording. You stream. You streamed?
Yes.
Oh, I heard
Ah.
something.
Oh. Don't
Move.
move.
Pag may mata, don't move.
Pag what?
Dati yung sa tente mata, kaya ka gagalaw. Don't move.
Oh my god!
My
I
heart,
don't
my
like-
soul.
May doors. You can open doors.
Na may araw.
Wait.
Oh my
nagpi-flicker yung
god!
lights, pag nagpi-flicker yung lights, magsaspawn siya.
Okay. That's good to know.
Oh man, we can go in.
This guy, it's just a bait. Oh my god, this creepy ass nerd.
I'm about to punch them. Oh,
What the?
Interminable.
Yung terminal test.
Oh,
What? Dead end. Hindi mo meron pa right. Ano yan?
what is outside?
Grass?
It's another room. Oh. Do you remember?
This guy. I don't like this.
This is how you got here.
No.
May mga oras. Tignan mo yung sa taas. May mga oras. Ano may supposed to...
For oh, for something. No, it's Baghdad.
Ano gagawin natin? Do we have
It's
to
either
fight?
450 something, 50. No, 350 something. Or my guy, I don't know. Oh! Oh my god, you freaking nerd, stop. Paano kaya pag meron pang isang monster, pina-follow tayo, tapos bigla lilitaw yan?
I don't know.
Hey, stop. Kaya kahit hindi nag-flick yung light, lilitaw siya.
Kaya akala ko pa nagpa-play kayo lang ulit.
You creep me out so much.
I'm about to punch this guy. Ano hanapin natin dun?
Merong...
Wow.
Oh!
Di mo na ako natatakot, nainis na ako.
Hindi ako nabibigla talaga ako kasi wala man siyang
Wala mong warning sign.
oh.
Sa bagay, horror naman. Supposed to be horror.
Can you stop? We didn't even have a dick.
Let alone underbody.
I
Ano
can't
nga
smash.
Ano nga natin natin?
Hindi, nag-open. Pero kanina.
This guy.
I'm gonna try moving. My god.
Ito oras. For
Nag-open na to.
something. Nag-open yan? Hey, wait for me. Ah, ito yung may graph. We go right. Right is on.
Did it shake? Oh! Ah! It creeps me out every time.
Oh, elevator.
I remember this. Sound.
Nanonood pa kaya itong isa?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, he's still here. You've joined me na. Nasa
Sure,
my phone.
Oh man?
Kala ko glass yun. Oh, man. Full. Cool.
This guy!
Ay, dati ko nakita yung S. Tsaka si kanina.
Bulbul.
This guy.
Why is there a swimming pool but we can't swim?
Kiki.
Okay,
Oh my God. Kapag hindi natin nakita yun, hanapin niyo mamaya.
Oh my days!
Ah, freaking
I
hell.
need some keys! Some! You hold...
Ay, kaya yan. Doon sa likod mo, Gab. Yan, sa left. Yan.
Some keys. Diba si school to? Laki naman. So many pools in
Sa
one.
school pool.
Pool.
Ito, another key. Yun ang kailangan? 5, no? Apat.
I have 2. Delete pa mo ng mga susi. Ayan, ako.
3, 4. Ha?
Ay,
Are you sure about that?
Okay na.
May elevator.
Wala. Sa ba? Never mind.
Ba? Well,
Nothing about this is normal, Michael.
Oh, yan. Kala ko. Anong hanapin? Anong gagawin natin?
Wala.
ay, mga ting elevator, my guy.
Oh, ating pera si Rayo. Did it work? No, this guy...
My guy, what are you doing?
I did not try. Pumasok ko, but I did not look for the thing.
Oh, brother.
Hey, shut the fuck. You disconnected.
Oh, man, I did. Oh.
Oh, we're at the...
Huh? Oh. You hear that?
Yes. 911.
Ito.
Wala na?
Wala na. Ayun, nandiyan pa.
What? Stop.
Do you hear something?
What the
Oh.
frick?
Don't
oh
move.
my god, instinctively stop.
Full set. Scene 1 after soul complete. Cellphone.
What?
Hey. What? Ano mo to?
Where?
Huh?
Where are you?
Paano tayo makapasok to?
Nasaan ka? Nasaan ako? Nasa creepy thing. Ayan.
Di na tayo makapasok doon. Wala na yung code. What? What
Okay,
do we
hindi. Meron pang room dito eh. May
Yung cellphone, kailangan natin.
Dito.
Ayun.
Something's off. Our founder. The TV.
What? Ah, this guy.
Help!
Is Bro dead?
Oh my god.
Ah!
Episode 2?